Hello guys, this is Thor. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Thor TV. Hello guys, kamusta kayo? For today's vlog, finally I got my 42 and 43rd
43
pair of collection of my sneakers. Then I will show you later what it looks like and what is the brand of my new collection of my 42 and 43 pairs of sneakers. Before we start, I'm here today at the Molten Chocolate Coffee. So today I will show you my 42nd and 43rd pair of my sneakers collection. Before we start, somebody asked me if why I keep collecting those pair of shoes. Kahit hindi ko naman daw siya naiisuot. Why I keep collecting this? Maybe because during my childhood, or it's my manifestation that one day I need to buy those shoes because I never had those kind of shoes during my childhood. So, when I tell to myself, when I start earning, I never let myself not to have this kind of shoes that I never been had before. So now, when I start to earn enough, I start to collect those sneakers. Not one, but two, or maybe about 100 of pairs now what I have in my collection.
Wow.
Then today I will show you my 42nd and 43rd pair of my sneakers collection that somebody sent me recently from Dubai. Then I received last week. Then I will show you what it looks like and what is the brand. These shoes recently released last January 22, 2022, almost just recently, last January 2022. Then I'm lucky and very grateful to have these two pairs of sneakers. Then I will share to you what it looks like and what's the story behind these shoes. The 42nd shoes I will show you is the LV Trainer sneakers, color gray and white. This one, yes, this one. This is my 42nd pair of sneakers. There's LV on front. It's a monogram denim and monogram embossed grain calf leather. Rubber outsole, as you can see. The rubber itself, it's so thick and not too much heavy. It lighten also, not too much heavy. LV initial on the thong side and back. This one, the thong, the side and the back. Monogram flowers on the outside. This one, the famous flower design of Louis Vuitton. Any item that you can see about Louis Vuitton, it has the significant logo on it. The iconic LV Trainer sneakers is revisited this season in a combination of monogram and denim and monogram embossed grain calf leather. I don't know what it means, but as per my research, this is made from calf leather, then originally designed by the artist Virgil Abloh. This the artist from Louis Vuitton. I'd heard also that a single pair of Louis Vuitton sneakers trainers, it takes 7 hours to stitch each pair. Just imagine the artistry of this is really good because it's really money. Just imagine 7 hours of stitching by pair. It's really deserve a price. And my 43rd sneakers collection that I received, almost same with the 42nd but it different color. This is the LV Trainer sneakers, color green and white, designed by Louis Vuitton artistry director Virgil blue. The iconic Elbert Trainer sneaker that revisited also this season, and this made by monogram and calf leather material. As you can see, almost same with the first one, the green, the monogram denim and monogram embossed grain calf leather. Rubber outsole. There's a Vuitton on a bottom. This is really heavy compared to the first one, that light shoes that you can use for running and for casual and short errand, that where you can go, you can use that one together with short pants and any color. But this green usually very hard to fit with other color. Then it also the Vuitton signature on the other side. This one, as you can see, the logo, the back side, and the flower on it on the this side, the significant Louis Vuitton flower logo. This one. The detail these shoes is really, it's really simple but very defined design. This design also released last January 22, 2022, so almost recently. Then they released limited the first month of this launching date. I guess they released only 1,000 pairs all over the world. After that, they release again the different kind of color. I think this is the third color that they released, from the blue one, then the gray and the green one. So this one. I keep collecting these shoes even I don't wear too much because I too much busy to work, so I did not often wear these shoes. But I really enjoying collecting these shoes, so it's my what do you call this one? It makes me happy and grateful to have this pair of collection. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and see you again next time. Once again, this is Thor. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and always click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking my new video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.
I can tell you that I'm proud of myself. I grew up poor, but that's just the way it is.